Marcus Williams here with of Williams Consulting LLC, an affiliate with UIGI. UIGI is United Investors Group International. It's where just regular everyday people come together. We share various investment ideas amongst each other to help each other learn in this financial space with just through passive investing. Throughout our group here, we have several different platforms where we are able to invest in cryptocurrency. We're in the Forex market. We have retail space with our Amazon and Walmart stores. We also invest in real estate where we deal with mortgage notes. And lastly, we also do gold and silver. To get started with us, you're talking about any very, very low entry point. I got started with our group here with $100. That $100 was the best $100 that I've ever invested or spent, however you choose to view it. I view it as an investment in myself. And as a result of just coming in, following our system, I've been able to pay off a lot of debt. I was in a position having some success out in my professional career, but still was that guy living paycheck to paycheck. And as a result of what we've been able to put together here in UIGI, that is no longer a problem. Have plenty of cash to tap into, or rather investment money that I could tap into if I needed to for any type of emergencies that may pop up. I always had this dream or vision to earn at least $1 million in a year. And as a result of this, it is very possible. People should come to learn more about UIGI because in today's society, most people are either leveraging other people or people themselves are being leveraged. Within UIGI, we have found the system and various investment options in which we can learn to leverage our money and allow our money that we have worked hard for to begin to work hard for us. So if you would like to contact me to learn more about UIGI, feel free to contact me using any of the options that you see here on the screen. So it's never too late to get started in your investment journey, and I am ready to help you to get started in your investment journey.